On the last of our morning shoots, we're heading out into the dawn light near Ansirabe. And we're out on a fantastic morning so far at Ansirabe. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful light. Oops. Nicola is standing precariously at the edge of the cliff, looking down. Right, so we are on an early morning photo walk with our guide, or well, actually hotel owner Denise, and so far it's been absolutely fantastic. Everywhere we go, people are just passing on their way to work, and there's some amazing photographic opportunities as we go. Given an invitation to come into the village's house, and this is amazing. How did you find your walk this morning?
It was fantastic. Great shots, hopefully.
See anything in particular?
Lots of interesting faces and people at work. It's good.
And then it was back to Denise's hotel in Ansirabe, the Chambres de Voyageur, with its amazing gardens, where we spent the last part of our workshop doing batches of post-processing and a final crit session, all under the watchful eye of the faithful hound of the hotel.